Greetings! Welcome to our video presentation. We're from Group 9. We're gonna talk about our application is Expand Tracker. First of all, let's introduce my team. They are Arwin, Putri, Randy, Shirley, and Wesley.
Managing personal finance can be challenging, and this app is designed to make it simple and effective. An expense tracker helps you manage your money by keeping track of what you earn and spend. It shows where your money goes so you can save more and spend wisely. With an expense tracker, you can set a budget, record your expense, and plan your goals. Many tools can make it easy to use on your phone or computer. Start tracking your expense today and take control of your finance.
Okay, from now I will start talking about the flowchart. From the start, we need to open the application, and then we will have to see four features in our application. There's add, plot, quit, and clear. The first one, we need to input some data, so you need to press add, and then if you want to show the data in graphics, we will need to press the plot. And if you need to delete some data, you need to press clear. And after that, if you already done doing all of it, you will quit and your application will be closed. That's it.
Now let's talk about the user interface. The application has a clean and intuitive design to ensure users can navigate it with ease. Here's how it works. At the top right of the interface, you can input your expenses by adding a description and the corresponding price. For example, you can type water and enter $24, and by clicking add, it will instantly be saved. On the left side of the interface, there's a table that displays all of your recorded expenses. Each row includes the description and price, making it easy for you to review your spending. The right side of the interface features a circular diagram or a pie chart that visually represents your expenses by category. This will help you identify where most of your money is going. At the bottom, there are two essential buttons. The first is the clear button. With one click, you can easily reset all your recorded expenses and start fresh. The other one is the quit button, where you can easily exit the application when you're done.
Here are the key features of our expense tracker. First is simplicity. The straightforward design ensures anyone can use it without a steep learning curve. Expense tracking made easy. The combination of a table and circular diagram provide both detailed and visual summaries of your spending. Efficiency. Adding and clearing expenses take just seconds, helping you focus on what matters the most. And finally, better financial insight. By regularly using the app, you can gain a clearer understanding of your spending habit and make a smarter financial decision.
The application uses PySite 6, a Python binding for the Qt framework to create the graphical interference. Key classes there are QWidgets and QMain window, used to create the main window and widgets. QTable widgets for displaying data in a table. QLine edit for input fields. QChart, QChart view, QPie series to create and display a pie chart. QHbox layout, QVbox layout, layout manager for organization widget, as well as for running the application. Widget class, this is the main GUI class for the application. Dummy data, dictionary data preloaded with example expenses. QTable widget, display data in a table format. 2 columns, description and price. The table resizes columns automatically to fill the space. QChart view, a widget for displaying charts. Analyzing ensures smooth rendering for better visuals. Input fields, QLine edit for entering the description and price. Buttons, add a new expense, initially disabled until input fields are filled. Clears all table data. Quit closes the application. Plot creates a pie chart based on the table data. The layout organizes widget neatly. QVbox layout, vertical layout for the right side widgets, input buttons and chart. QHbox layout combines the table left and the input chart section right into a horizontal layout.
Our connect command is used for signals and slots that connect our user actions or signal to function. Example, the clicking the add button calls the add element method. The text fields trigger the check disable to enable or disable the add button dynamically.
The slot for add elements, the function is to add our user entered data or description and price to the table. And then the validation ensures the price input is a valid number, otherwise it shows an error. And the next one is slot plot data. It collects our data from the table, and the QPy series is create the pie slice for each row of data, and the QChart, it adds the series and display it in the QChart view. The clear table slot is for clearing the row in the table, and the quit application slot is to quit the application right away when you click it. And the main window class, the main window is to wrap the widget class and add a menu bar. File menu, it includes an exit option that closes the app. And the last one is the main. It initializes the application and create the main window and run the event loop. So when we run the code, it will run the application to show the adding expenses, plotting the pie chart, and then clearing and quitting the apps.
So the conclusion is, tracking your expense is a simple but powerful way to understand your spending habits and take control of your finances. By recording how much you spend, you can see exactly where your money goes and make better decisions to manage it wisely. This expense tracker helps you build awareness and stay organized without being complicated. Over time, you notice patterns in your spending, which can help you cut unnecessary costs, save more, and work toward your financial goal. Start using this tool today and take the first step forward, smarter money management, and a more secure financial future. Thank you for listening. I hope this presentation has been helpful. If there were any mistake or anything unclear, I sincerely apologize and appreciate your understanding. Thank you.